Hello everyone, welcome back. Today's Tuesday 28th. So I'm going to do what I eat in a day. So basically I'm actually about to go shopping. I'm in my car, so I just thought I'll take you guys with me. I'm going to pick up a couple of breakfast and lunch stuff. So I'm going to show you as real as possible, like exactly what I eat. I actually try to eat healthy stuff, but sometimes I don't eat that healthy. I'm not gonna eat healthy just for the sake of the video. So I'm just gonna show you exactly what I eat. So today I'm going for shopping. So from tomorrow morning I'll start filming. The whole day tomorrow, Wednesday one, I'll film that one. And yeah, so I think it will be a very interesting video because a lot of people are interested in what I eat. Hopefully this will inspire you as well. Anyway, yeah, let's go shopping right now. I'm going to pick up some stationery like this notebook. Look at this, so cute. Oh my god. So I picked up this one. It is in monochrome, black and white, as you can see. I really like this one. I bought small one and the big note. Yeah, really pleased with this one. I'm back from shopping and this is what I've got. This is my first food haul, guys. So I just thought I will show you on camera like what I exactly bought. I bought celery, as you can see. I really love celery. And then I bought avocado as well. Coconut flakes, as you can see, and then went for this feta cheese as well for my salad, and then chicken breast piece as well. And then I bought quite a lot of Muller yogurt, which I like, and also picked up cucumber for salad, and this is for my salad, romaine hearts, and picked up a small jar of almonds as well. I also picked up this cookies. There should be 5, but I've already eaten 3.5. So you guys see, there's only 2.5 left. So I've actually eaten 2.5, not 3. I ate already that one because I was hungry after I came back from shopping. And then I picked up olives. Then this one is sun-dried tomatoes, which I really love to eat with my salad. And I also picked up this soya milk. And then the last ones is this one. Obviously you can see what it is, coconut water, which I really love. Yeah, so these are all the stuff I picked up. Morning everyone, it is 8 in the morning. I'm here in my kitchen. I actually woke up around 7. I had to give Nia her breakfast. Now she's done with her breakfast and it is time for me to have mine. So basically I'm gonna prepare my breakfast with you guys and show you what I'm gonna eat for today. And it is a bit cold this morning, hence I'm wearing this jumper. Anyway, yeah, I'll show you guys what I'm gonna eat today. Now I'm adding my oats here. Now it's going in the microwave for next 2 minutes. So the oat is done now, and I'm going to put some of these fruits here on top of it. I'm adding some strawberries, some of these blueberries, and now that part here, the remaining part, I'm going to add some nuts. First I'm going to add some coconuts. I really love coconuts, oh my god, it's one of my favorite things to eat. And some almonds here. I'm going to mix it with walnuts actually. This is my breakfast all ready to eat. This is what I eat normally. If I don't have porridge, then I normally go for toast. So yeah, I'm just gonna dig in, guys, now. It is 10:45 at the moment, and look at the weather. The sun is coming out. It's so nice and lovely. I can get rid of my jumper now and wear a nice top. Basically, I'm eating these cookies. Nia is having her yogurt here, and I'm gonna have mine, but she's stealing mine at the moment. Hi, Nia.
Hi.
Here it is. I put my chocolate flakes on top of yogurt and now I'm going to eat this. Hi everyone, I just woke up from nap. Basically I was trying to make Nia nap, but unfortunately I fell asleep with her, so I probably slept for half an hour. Yeah, so Nia is napping at the moment, so guess what I'm gonna do next? I'm gonna have a hot tea, green tea with mint, and then I'm gonna sit in my living room and watch Netflix series called N with an E. I have been watching that since yesterday, and whenever I get time, I'm kind of like trying to watch that series because it's like really good. It is a story about an orphan girl. I've got the fresh mint leaves from my backyard, and now I'm gonna add green tea. So just need to pour some water now. I really need to decorate this bit here, this area, but I've not done very much. I've got my snake plant there and candle and kept my green tea there. Look at this cup. It is so cute. It just says passing time before wine. And I'm gonna sip in my green tea now. I just thought I'll turn on the TV. This is the series I'm watching at the moment, and with an E. I'm on season 1, episode 6. I thought I'll chat with you guys while I'm having my green tea. Basically, I just want to say, like, it is so important to look after what you eat, because for me, if I don't eat well, like if I eat junk food a lot, then my skins break out a lot. And one of the reasons why I really love drinking green tea with mint is that it is anti-inflammatory. It really helps with metabolism as well, and yeah, it has really helped to clear my skin as well, and hence I do drink every day. One thing I noticed when I went traveling to Morocco was they would do mint tea all the time. So when I drank mint tea, I noticed my skin getting clear. So hence when I came back, I started drinking green tea with mint, and that has really helped me. People say you are what you eat, and it sounds like a cliche, to be honest, but it is not. I feel like that is so right. Whatever you put into your body is what you get back. So yeah, I don't eat like proper healthy, but I do try to eat healthy stuff. I don't count my calories or my portion, but I do try and eat healthy. That is what I do basically. So yeah, today I'm going to work out later in the evening. It is midday now, guys. It is 12, so time for some lunch. I'm going downstairs to my kitchen to prepare some lunch, and I'm gonna have salad for today, a big bowl of salad. I'm really starving. I need to eat my lunch now, so I'll take you guys with me. Let's go to the kitchen. Just gonna chop off some of this I don't know what to say. I'm just like chopping off. I used to be one of those people who used to like think, how can people eat salad and be full? But honestly, you can be full with salads. I was so wrong about it, and I didn't used to eat salad that much. But when I went to Germany, and I used to have a friend with whom I used to work, her name is Gabby, and she really inspired me to have salads, and she had like a different way of making salads. So hence that is how I actually got into salads, to be honest. And yeah, I really enjoy eating green foods. It is good for health, no doubt about that. Yeah, and at first I didn't used to like avocado. I hated it so much, but nowadays I'm so obsessed with avocado, and I'm actually cutting avocado right now, so that's why I'm talking about it. So I'm gonna get a spoon. So got the spoon, gonna take this avocado out, and then I'm gonna cut this into little pieces. This is what I've done. The salad leaf has been cut, and then I've got cucumber, avocado, feta cheese. I really love feta cheese with salad. This is a full fat one. I don't eat cheese on its own. I can't eat cheese on its own, but I really love my cheese with pizza or with salad. So that is what I've got. So I'm gonna transfer this one all on this here, on this plate. I've got these chicken chunks now, and this one is a flame grilled one, so it's going on the plate now. And then I'm gonna put some avocado on top, some cucumber, some feta cheese, some olives. Tomato here is all homegrown, very organic, came from my backyard actually. So I'm gonna take few of them and put that in my salads. I'll show you my backyard as well in a bit. Sometimes I do like to put sun-dried tomato, this one, instead of fresh one tomato on top. I'm just adding this yogurt and herb dressing, which I really like, and that is it. It is ready to eat now. I'm just gonna go outside and eat in my backyard because it's lovely sunny day. Guys, let's go to my backyard, and here it is. Here we go. I'm just gonna sit here and enjoy my food. Look at the weather, is so nice. It is sunny at the moment, really lovely weather. I'm just gonna enjoy this sunshine while it lasts. I've actually already eaten half of my salads because I forgot to film a video. I completely forgot about it, so now I was like, oh my god, I forgot to film, so I had to film it now. This is gonna be salad mukbang. Obviously no, I'm only joking, not really. I think this is the first time I'm eating in front of camera. It just feels so weird, to be honest. But yeah, enjoying my salad a lot. I'm just trying to find chicken now. Here it is. nice. Really enjoying this lunch, and the weather is so lovely, like I said earlier. Let me go and show you guys what we grow in my backyard. So there are beans here, runner beans, and this is Nepali Karela, some spinach here. This is all done by my mom, actually, all thanks to her, and Nav as well. I don't do very much these days, to be honest. I used to do it before, but nowadays I'm so busy with Nia. So this is our little corner where we grow our veg, and that is what we have. Oh, hold on, I'll show you tomatoes. We got tomatoes here. You can see some of them growing here. So yeah, that is our little veg corner here. It's time for another snack again. I do snack a lot throughout the day. I'm gonna have some celery with nuts, walnut and cashew, and I'm also gonna have some water, coconut water. I do drink water throughout the day. It is so important to drink a lot of water to flush out all the toxins from our body. I'm so sorry I have not actually filmed video of water, how much I drink, etc., because I don't know, I'm like not sure about filming that, but I just thought I'll let you know. Yeah, so this is my dinner for tonight. It's about 6 at the moment, and I'm having rice, some salads again here with tomato, cucumber, chicken curry, and then this is Nepali Karela. So this is what I'm having for dinner. I normally have my dinner between 5:30 to 6. Hello everyone, it's almost 8 in the evening. I just got ready to go for my workout. I'll be working out for 1 hour, just doing like squats, planks, burpee, etc., and a bit of a running as well. I've already had my dinner. I always have my dinner before workout, so I normally have it like 2 to 3 hours before, and when I'm not working out, I always have my dinner 3 to 4 hours before bedtime, and after that I don't eat anything until the next morning. But since today I'm working out, when I come back home I'll have soya milk and banana if I'm hungry. So yeah, I'll see you later in a bit when I come back. Hi everyone, I'm back. It is 9 p.m. at the moment, so I'm just back in my kitchen about to drink some soy milk. So let's get into my fridge. Let's open this and have some soy milk. My fridge is full of stuff here, as you can see. I'm just pouring in some soy milk. Just gonna have full, and then I'm gonna add a little bit of turmeric in here, just a tiny bit, not much. So here we go. I'm just going to microwave this for a few seconds, like 30 seconds. I don't want to drink it cold because today is full day, so hence I'm gonna have it warm. Okay, so it's ready, and here it is. I'm going to stir this well. This is gonna look a little bit yellow, but this is great for digestion, metabolism, immune system. So yeah, good for health, good for skin as well, good for basically everything. All right, so I'm going to drink this. Here it goes. Cheers, guys. That's good. Oh my god, that feels so good after working out for 1 hour. It just feels so nice to be back home. I didn't used to work out before, but I'm really into it. I really love working out. I feel so good after workout, and even when I'm working out I just feel so great. I can't even express that feeling I get while I'm working out. So yeah, it just feels so great. I feel like I'm looking after my body, and yeah, it just feels basically amazing. I don't know how to sum up, but basically it just feels great. So yeah, I'm always happy after coming back from a good workout. As you can see from this video, I'm not too hung up on my portion or my calories either. I just eat whatever I like, but I do eat moderately. So yeah, that is what I do, and I try to eat healthy, like I said before. I've said that so many times. So anyway, I'm gonna say bye to you all and finish my drink as well. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really appreciate your feedback. Please do give me feedback if you would like to see more of this sort of videos. So yeah, take care of yourself and eat well. You are what you eat at the end of the day. Thank you so much for watching once again. See you all soon on my next video. Bye.